Hello there, wonderful internets. Today it is time for us we're doing this packing thing, so I'm looking in the mirror so I can see what's going on. We're doing packing for our trip. We're going to Daytona Beach for 2 nights, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm excited. And we are packing today. We leave tomorrow. Let's see what everybody's up to today as they pack. Dun, 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 dun. We're bringing Ellie too, of course, because Ellie's always got to come with us everywhere we go. So what would a vacation be if we didn't take Ellie? This thing, that's pretty cool. It's, let me zoom in there. That's our, my little pillow thing. You know how you wear them so you don't get a crick in your neck? Here, check this out. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty nice, right? Pretty. It doesn't fall off my neck. Pretty good there. Here, let's try something a little bit more retro. What do you think about that? That looked pretty good. So yeah, as you can see, we're in packing mode. Packing mode. What was that? I just heard a crack. Oh my god. I'm going to take you in here now so you can see all of our suitcases. This is my suitcase. We have our extra travel bag, my clothes, my shoes. I love wearing Crocs. Crocs are awesome. My Crocs. And then as extras, we have some Cheetos and Juicy Juice, Copper Tone SPF 50, Best Protection, and a broad spectrum. Girls Rule Cup. Mixed up goldfish, and that is the phone that's ringing. Of course we're bringing Ellie along too, because Ellie has to come with us. Everywhere. So that's my suitcase right there that we've all got packed. Everybody else has been packing too. So that'll be fun. We're going to go to the beach. It's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy it, I think, a lot. I'm really, really looking forward to it. So, bye. See you later.
Faulkner wrote it, Aretha Franklin sold it, Dolly Parton graced it, Rosa Parks wrote it, Scarlett chased it. Smooth.
What you doing?
Put stuff in the refrigerator. Somebody brought a cup. Girls rule.
Yeah, Mom packed that. We are officially staying in the Plaza.
Did you see if it's on the right number to make it cold enough for you?
Oh, it's
Make
on.
it cold enough.
Refrigerator.
Yep, we kick the air down to 69 degrees when we stay at hotels. And look at this view we got. Look at all those people. They look like ants. The pools, the 2 pools. So awesome. Look at this big screen TV. That's a big screen. And the bathroom in here. That's me. The toilet looks good.
Closet?
What's in here? Is this a closet? Oh, that's a heavy door.
Slide.
Nothing in it, of course.
Safe.
Safe is in
Safe.
there.
Safe.
Yeah.
There's always a safe in the closet. Always. My suitcase right there, my towel. This is what the camera came in. And Ellie.
We're here.
Ellie's in the plaza too.
What do we do first? Beach or pool?
Such big decisions. And mixed up goldfish. Those are our 2 decisions. Which type of mixed-up goldfish we should buy and what we should do first. Be cheerful. Ooh, nice table. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
Will Faulkner wrote it, Aretha Franklin sold it, Dolly Parton graced it, Rosa Parks wrote it, Scarlett chased it. Smooth as the hickory wind that blows from Memphis down to Appalachia.
Goodbye, Daytona. Goodbye, Pelicans. Goodbye. Bye, people. We are watching the Today Show, and we're about to leave. With my mask and everything. We had a lot of fun here, didn't we, Grandma? We had fun here. It was a lot of fun. We're going to IHOP for breakfast, and then we're going to go drive home.
Good morning, I'm meteorologist Amy Sweezy. 20% chance of storms again today, but rain chances are
10:18. No, that clock's wrong. It is 10:09.
Also, higher rain chances are expected as we head
This
into
is what
early
my
next
mom
week.
got me because it's my first vacation without it.
Weather, brought to you by Morgan & Morgan.
I miss her. But Ellie still came, of
Visit
course. Ellie.
forthepeople.com and have a live online chat with us.
We're kind of bored. There was just a couple pigeons right out here on our patio deck and everything. It was cool. There's one dude. He's walking up the stairs. That's a good thing. That thing kept us up a lot last night.
What happened?
Goodbye.